Going to the range today.
I am yours, the end of the world, or such time as you see fit.
Okay, we're here finally. It's under a bridge, so it's hard. Garland gun range. Here goes. We're going in. You gotta be. Whew, it's nice and warm in here. I think there's a classroom here. Hopefully, I think the gentleman that just went to the bathroom is the guy. Here he comes.
Hey,
How are you, sir? I'm recording, is that okay?
No, not when people are here. You can't record here with me.
Sorry?
You're not, no.
Okay. Okay, I've filled out all my stuff and I'm going to put my on the 50. Let's get, we're gonna get some 50-yard shooting going until we know where we're shooting, and then we're gonna do 100. So, here we go. Well, here I am at the range. Got everything set up. I have my Winchester cheapest 6.5 Creedmoor that I could find. I have my Wind Wizard. There we go. Ranged it. We're currently at 51 yards. I will be single loading, if I can get them out. There we go. Single loading. There we go. The first time it's loaded. I have no idea where this is set to. As I said, I'm 40 yards out and we are just about to do this for the very first time. So here we go. Everything is good. This might be loud. Cannot see where that went, so let's put another one down. Oops. Not in the shoulder. Gee, gone from air guns to this is put 5 down and see where they go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and get my spotting scope to see where they are. Okay, so I just got the spotting scope out and nothing on paper, not one single thing. So I think this is shooting down. So I'm gonna bring it up. It was at 22, so 1, 2, 3, 4, that's... I'm just gonna bring it up. Can't be right though. have a look now. Okay, so for some reason the camera just turned off there. I don't know how long for it wasn't recording. But it is cold and it's hard to do all this with what's happening here. So let's there we go, we got that good. Okay, so going back over what we did, aiming there, and we've got less than a minute group of 3, and then I adjusted down to here, then I adjusted too far, and then to here. So I have brought that over 2 minutes, and I'm going to 0 and then start shooting here. This is at 100. We will see how that goes. With the 100, it should not be that much of an impact change, but then as soon as I do, I will put my turrets to this 0 and get it going. It is very cold today. It is 22 degrees. I had to just spend a bunch of time inside there because my thumbs were so cold. Actually, they were actually stinging, so that wasn't good. But we're gonna single loading. I might load the magazine there. Load magazine. I might keep doing that, but keep my thumbs in my hands while in between shots. I'm just getting the mud off my Crocs here. So that is the plan. Let's see what happens here. Okay, up and down. I like it, but it was freezing, and one of the issues in my neck, shoulder, arm, hand thing at the moment is all of that is asleep. So when I was so cold, because I forgot gloves like an idiot, I was so cold my hands were stinging, but this was stinging even worse, and that's the thumb that goes up to do safety and things like that. So every time the gun would jump, it would jab me. So anyway, so we're back at home, obviously. This is the second last group. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one of these. There's actually 2 there. There's one out there that was on the other one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and there. So bit here, but once again, shivering, guns jumping, don't like being on the bench. It sucks. The second last group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 1/8 inch group because of those 2. Sucks. This is not bad. These were actually the last 2 as well, and that's 5. So still dialing. I get confused when do I do point of impact. So next time I got this. Well, you can see this. I got this. Not the Christmas just been, but the Christmas before that, we're in Albuquerque at Cabela's. I got a $150 gift card for Cabela's, so I bought this. It is this. Recently, I got this. If you don't know what this is, you strap your phone in there, the camera goes there, then you screw this over something, anything, and then your phone becomes a scope camera. Awesome. The problem is, when you took this plastic thing off, this is all soft and it grabbed onto it really hard and started ripping off, and the phone would go like that. So what I've done is that plastic case, I've cut the end off so now it will grip onto that. So I keep it on in this anyway. I'm not worried about anything, and worst comes to worst I can always put a bit of tape over it, but as irrelevant. So that, let's do impact. That's 20 to 60 and and it actually had pretty good clarity today when I was looking for, we had a lot of problems, as I said earlier, looking for the initial impact. Now it's zeroed, including the turrets, at 100. We will, I hope to go out on Sunday again, once again. Want to see if Trav will let me shoot. The berm's still there, it's not very big, so I'll have to be careful, but I do want to get into the prone position. His bench is better anyway, but maybe on a bag instead of the bipod. Just didn't like that position, so, but I've never liked bench position. Have issues with my back, so that might make the prone position hard over a period of time, but I want to shoot prone anyway, so I got to get used to that, and I am getting stronger and more flexible through the spine as well. So anyhow, they are what happened today. It's very cold. It's still 29 real feel or 28 real feel, and about 33, 34 actual feel. So spoke with Brian. Brian said, "Oh yeah, that's good," and I'm like, "I'm not happy with it," and I have no reason to not be happy with that. This is the first time I've fired a gun with kick in for 2 years, since the last time I shot the M4, and before that was a lot longer than that. So shot pistols, but not rifles. So first day, first 40, gonna keep an eye. I've got a book now specifically for that. It's in my gun bag. I'll do a, in a couple of days I might do a what's in all of my bags. I've got 3. I've got an archery, air gun, hunting, 2 hunting bags, and then the shooting bag as well. So different things in the different bags. Might do that, but at the moment, really loving this. So this is my goal. I want 1,000 yards on a 24 by 24 inch plate by the last day of this year, 2019. By the 16th of June, my birthday, 2020, I want a mile with this gun. My gun. No one else's gun. My gun. So they are my goals. They're set. 1,000 and is it 1762 or 1672? One of the two yards. Want to shoot. With the stuff. Supposed to be getting. The doctor got my information this morning to get my shot, so hopefully I'll be getting that Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so play the sounds. You know what to do. But remember to like and subscribe and click the bell. Share it as well.